Well, hey family, this is Darlene. Wanted to thank you for stopping by the Jury by BDK YouTube channel. I know you didn't come here for a sermon. So here's the video, and we'll talk
Well,
about
hey family, happy Wednesday. This is Darlene stopping by real quick. I've been sitting here making some bracelets using these Howlite Turquoise beads that I have. I have a lot of them. So I have a lot here on the table. I got a bunch of them back here in a bag, and I just figured I would go ahead and use them. I think sometimes I get a little selfish and I don't want to use the beads. So I'll be like, okay, I'm not gonna use those yet. But then I'm like, okay, Darlene, why are you holding on to the beads? Go ahead and just use the beads up. In addition to that, I sold two bracelet stacks today that were the turquoise howlet, and they do sell really good, especially when I mix these beads with brown and turquoise, the color turquoise, or turquoise itself, the real turquoise, or even the howlet turquoise. This color mixed with browns, they sell really well. They sell fast. They sell good. So I went ahead and made this stack here, and I am going to make a couple more stacks later on tonight in between working on other projects and stuff. So again, I am working on workbooks. There is a free digital promotional magazine on the jurybybdk.com website. I am going to put the website address here. You're welcome to go over to the website. Go to digital products, and you can click on the free download for the magazine. In addition to that, I'm going to be adding free journals, planners, maybe a couple workbooks that would be like maybe 10 pages or something. So just kind of bounce over there as often as you want to, because I am going to be uploading digital products. And my whole thing is always self-development. It's self-development, self-betterment, just trying to do the best that I can to be the best person that I can be on this time side of life. And the workbooks will be spiritually motivated. So not in the sense where, there's sermons and over religious and all that other kind of stuff. It's not that. It's just, some really good sections in those workbooks, and the ones that are free and the ones that are cost. So the workbooks are going to be anywhere from $1 up to $5. Wait, $1, $5, $8. So different sections in there, different goal setting, planning, just a lot of good stuff. Just to provoke thought and all that good stuff. And the workbooks are things that I do all the time. And I like going, I think I mentioned that on videos before. I love a good workshop. I love going to a good workshop that's self-development, that might be business. It might have something to do with just overall life. I really do love those type of things. I'm a journaler. So I do journal all the time. I'm always writing something every day, all the time. I'm also a goal setter. I'm real good for writing down goals and then, keeping task lists and all that kind of stuff. And then backtracking at the end of the week and saying, okay, well, what did I get done? Did I get any of this done? Did I not get it done? Why did I not get it done? Did something else that I'm working on spill over into something else? That type of thing. But I do write things down every day, every day, every day. And at the end of the week, I'm checking everything just to see, to keep myself in alignment with what the goals are, what I plan to do. And it's hard to get anything done for me if I don't write down goals and tasks and all that kind of stuff. It's easy to get off track, and you'll find yourself spending, well, I find myself, I will spend an entire day unproductive. So when I look at the day, I'll look back at the day and say, okay, well, what did I really get done today? And I'll be like, well, I didn't do nothing. Okay, I did this, but that's nothing compared to what my list looked like. So I'm very careful, about sticking to the list. Is it hard sometimes? Sometimes it is, because sometimes I want to do other things than what I wrote down. But the things that I wrote down, if I don't do those, it kind of set me back. So I try to stick to, my task list, my goals, and all that good stuff. So those type of publications will be on the Jury by BDK website. Some will be free. Some will cost $1. Some will cost $5. Some will cost $8. Just some good stuff. And also, Just about anything that I make on YouTube, you'll find on the website. If it's not on the website yet, it will be there. Also keeping in mind that I post on a couple other websites where I sell the jewelry too. So sometimes I won't put it on the actual Jewelry by BDK website. I'll put it on wholesale website and then two other websites that I sell on. So sometimes they'll never make it to the Jewelry by BDK website. But anyway, these are the 5 bracelets that I made. And these are going, and these little beads right here, these color beads I bought on Amazon. I'm kind of using these for a little bit of everything. I like the way they look as charms. So I made a bunch of charms because I am going to be using these. I really do love the way they look bunched up like that. So I do like that. And then we did a coconut chip custom charm. So then we got, yeah, just little charms up here, the heart, and what else we got up here? Just some stuff. We put a couple of charms, not a whole lot. And then I went ahead and used these beads that I actually love that I got from Michael's, the black and white plaid. I really like these, and I think everything matches really well. And I did take them all the way around, so I even like the way the back of the bracelets look too. So really, really good. Really like these. I'm gonna go. Oh, and the lamp work. I'm gonna get some. I'm gonna order some more of the lamp work beads. I really do like these. I was doing some research last night, and some of the lamp beads. Oh my god! I wish I knew how to make lamp beads. I'm like, oh my god, the designs on them are amazing. The ones that I saw, and I'm like, wow, they're a little costly, but they're pretty as heck too. So there's no way I would buy a whole strand of the bracelet, I mean not bracelets, but the lamp work beads that I saw, and then use all those beads on one bracelet. You'd have to charge an arm and a leg for that. I mean, I would use those beads very sparingly, like I am doing with these right here too. These lamp work beads. But anyway, Darling Night for Jewelry by BDK. We got a lot of new subscribers. And I want to say thank you for clicking on the subscribe button, also that bell, so you'll be notified each time I upload a video. I have been missing in action. I only been missing in action because I'm working on other projects and stuff, workbooks, coloring books, planners, all that other type of stuff. The projects that I'm working on now are books for my Amazon store to upload new workbooks and stuff to the actual Amazon store where people buy on there, and they actually get a hard copy, not a hard copy, but they get a printed copy, which is a book. On the Jewelry by BDK website, you will get a digital copy. So if you go on there and purchase one of the planners or workbooks or anything like that, you literally print it out on your printer. You'll download it, print it out, and then you could assemble it any way that you want to. I generally will, what's that thing? The spiral, the little spiral thing on mine to put my books together, because I do my own books too. I mean, I really enjoy doing those things, but that's just my get down. There's a lot of people that like doing them, and if you haven't gotten into it, it might be, it's good for the mental. I know that much. But anyway, Darling Night for Jewelry by BDK, and guess what? I will be back, and we shall talk.